How to open a Bitget account. Hi everyone. As the wave of cryptocurrency investment continues to grow, more and more traders are choosing Bitget as an optimal platform for trading and earning profits. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Bitget account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To open an account and get special offers from Bitget, visit coinaz.net/Bitget. Or click on the link to open a Bitget account in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter your email or mobile. Next, create your password. Here are the password requirements. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. Click on this box. Then click Create Account. You'll need to complete a captcha verification provided by the system. Please select the images in the correct order. Bitget has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email to get the code. This is an email that Bitget sent to me. If you don't see the emails in your inbox, click here. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is the verification code. I will enter the code here. Your account has been successfully created. Next, you need to verify your identity. First, click here. Then, click Identity Verification. Click Verify to get started. First, choose your country region of residence and issuing country region. For the type of ID document, you can choose an ID card, passport, or driving license. I'll choose an ID card. Then, click Continue. Next, select your country of residence. Then click Continue. Bitget would like to access the camera. Click Allow. Now, you'll take a photo of the front side of your document. Please make sure the document is within the frame with the edges aligned. Then, click here to take the photo. If you want to retake the photo, click Try again. Otherwise, click Accept. Similarly, please take a photo of the back side of your document. This is the face verification step. Click I'm ready. Please face the camera. Ensure your face is within the frame. Then, slowly turn your head around in a circle. Your documents are under review. You will receive an email notification once the review is completed. Click Back. To protect your account, you should enable two-factor authentication. First, click here. Then, click Security. These are the available two-factor authentication methods. Now, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator app. Click Configure. The first step is to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Now I'll show you how to download the app. First, open App Store. If your phone uses the Android operating system, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. You can choose to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll choose to enter a setup key. First, enter your account name. Next, enter your key. Now go back to the Bitget website. Click Copy Key. Next, paste the key here. Then click Add. You've successfully created the code on the Google Authenticator app. Click the code to copy it. Then go back to the Bitget website. Paste the code here to complete the final step. Then click Submit. Now, you need to enter the verification code received via your email. Click Send. Go to your email to get the code, then enter it here. Click Confirm. You have successfully enabled security authentication using the Google Authenticator app. Similarly, you can enable other authentication methods if you'd like. I've just shown you how to open a Bitget account. Wishing you success.